A monster quietly climbed onto the sleeping girl's bed. The monster absorbed her essence. A stray cat discovered the monster. The monster threw a dagger, scaring the cat. The noise woke the girl and her family. The monster hid in the wall, the hole heals. At night, the monster emerged again. The monster absorbed the girl's essence. The cat decided to enter through the chimney. The girl screamed, waking her parents. The monster fell into a glass jar. The cat broke the glass jar. The monster tried to escape but failed. The monster was shredded by the exhaust fan. The parents finally believed their daughter. The parents agreed to adopt the cat. Learn more by visiting the